Elephant is the largest extant animal that lives on land. Males are considerably larger than females, with the male African bush elephant the largest, growing 13,000 pounds and standing 10 feet at the shoulder. Although it is difficult to determine, the elephant's trunk and olfactory system, or sense of smell, may be 4 times as sensitive as a bloodhound dog. Large males have been recorded picking up more than 700 pounds with their trunks. Being herbivores, elephants eat plant material such as leaves and grass. Large males can consume as much as 300 pounds per day and drink over 10 gallons of water. Elephants are considered one of the more intelligent species and have been observed creating and using tools as well as manipulating objects for their benefit. In many African and Asian cultures, the elephant represents many positive traits such as strength and wisdom.